Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can change your time format 24-hour format to 12-hour format. You can see it is in 24-hour format in your nothing CMF phone one. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, swipe down, click on system, or here it is date and time. You have to simply swipe down and you have to just disable this use 24-hour format and click on use locale default, and you can see it is changed into 12-hour format. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.